Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to buy a double S coin on Trust Wallet. For that at first open Trust Wallet. Then you can see this interface. First of all click on swap option. Here you will see this page. First of all click here and select BNB chain. Then click here and select USDT. Then click here and select BNB chain. Then click here and you will need to charge here a double S. Then click on a double S. Then enter quantity you want to buy. After that need to click here for successfully buy. Thank you for watching our video. Subscribe our channel for more informative video.